I'm showing you how to make a chili relish. It's sweet and spicy and everything so nice. Yummo. And here I am just having some with cheese on a nice cracker. Yum. You could also put it on your roast meats or anything you like actually. So simple to make. Here are the ingredients. You need 1 cup of chilies, 1 cup of apples chopped up, 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, and a teaspoon of salt. In goes the sugar, in goes the vinegar. Then you're going to pour it in, of course. You're going to cook this on a slow simmer for an hour. Then in goes the salt, the onions, the apples. Then I'm going to chop up the chilies. I put on gloves when I chop up my chilies because I don't want my hands burning. I've already done that before, so I've learnt my lesson. These are bird's eye chilies, but you could use the bigger chilies, whatever you'd like. Give it a mix, put it on low simmer, let it boil for or simmer for an hour. And just like that, after an hour, this is what it looks like. Take it out, let it cool, put it in a jar, and away you go. Thanks for watching.